Hey, what's up, Jooba people? Today I'm going to show you how to do this. 1, 2, 3. Now, not exactly that, but I'm going to show you how to improvise like that, because that's what I just did there was improvisation. I'm just in the key of G, I know a couple of things, and it helps me to play like that, okay? So next time you have a song that's in the key of G, put maybe cap on the 3rd fret, you're like, I just don't want to stick with the chords, I want to add some notes. I'm going to show you how to add those notes, and what are things to keep in mind. So be sure to watch the whole video, otherwise you're going to end up sounding probably worse than if you didn't watch this video. So either watch the whole thing or stop watching now. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know is that the chords in the key of G come from a scale, the major scale. Okay, and if you know that scale, you can skip ahead a little bit, but basically you need to know these notes. And all those notes will be in the key of G. You can also play it like this. That way you cover all these notes that are in the key of G within these few frets. Now that's important because now the next step is to add those notes while you're playing chords. So the first way would be just to add one of those notes here and there. So you play the G, 1, 2, 3. So I'm playing this G like a regular G, but I'm keeping my pinky off so that my ring finger can come down and play on this G string. And my ring finger is just also muting the string below it. I'm also muting the 5th string. So now these fingers are free to play these notes in the scale. You can also do C, I can do the same thing. So there. A very important trick to do is to always play on the 1 of the bar. The bar is the 4 beats, right? To always play the chord first and then improvise. So you go chord, 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 1. So, to recap, I know you think maybe this lesson is finished. It is finished. To recap, play the chord on the 1 and then improvise, okay? And it's tougher than you think, you know, to keep your place, where's the 1, while you're busy making a solo. It's really tough. Okay, so just play the chord, do something basic. And then you'll see it will start to become more easy and accessible, and you'll become more free in that improvising time before you hit the next chord. Then make sure you know your scale completely. Cool. Peace out, guys. It was a quick lesson. Enjoy.